Contact. Up and square. Here and hold. Hold. 3. Marker's got there. Now 9. To me and hold. Go 4. 3. 15. 7 up. Hold. Go 4. Go 1. 10's got to come 10. 1.
Win this! Win this!
Catch. Contact. 4. Stand up. Get square marker. Wait. Go 1. 4.
12 is short. On the 10.
Lost. Make it to me. Wait. Go 3. 3. 9 up. To me and hold. Go 4. Go 2. Marker got there. 15 straight away. To me. Go 3. 1.
8 is short on your right.
9. Stand up.
8.
8 to me. Go 2. Keep going. Catch. Contact. Clear. 4. Stand up. Here and hold. Go 1. 3. Stand up. Give him room. Hold. Go 4. Go 4. Ooh, you're right. 4. Last tackle, Mitch. Last. Wait, 17. Go. 1. They're good. 1. Up now. To me. Wait. Wait. Go 2. 4. Last one now. Work to me. Wait. Stay on. Still 3. 15. Stand. Hit him in. Wait. Wait. Go 4. Play on. 4. Outside and through. Outside and through. Okay, go 1. 1 marker square. Yep. He's okay. Stand up. 14. Here and hold. Hold. Go 2. 1. Strong. Stand now. Hold. Still 2. Still 2. 14. Let go. Here, wait, wait, wait.
Good.
Go 3. 15. You got to hold with me. Yep. Strong. Stand up now. 10. Stand up. To me and hold. Hold. Go 1.